Want to see a miracle?
Okay.
No. That's not it. It's way bigger than that. No, bigger than that too. But first, can you answer this question? Where did the universe come from? The Earth is a big place, everybody knows that. Way back in the 3rd century before Christ, a Greek mathematician and geographer by the name of Eratosthenes calculated the circumference to be 250,000 stadia. That sounds pretty big, but as nobody knows how big a stadia is anymore, we can't be too sure. Eratosthenes was able to make his calculation by measuring the different length of shadows in 2 different cities, and then measuring the distance between these 2 cities. He was one smart cookie. Today, scientists have used more precise methods to determine that the circumference of the Earth is 24,901 miles along the equator, or 24,860 miles over the poles. If we look at it from the side, it's 7,926 miles wide and 7,900 miles tall. So yeah, it's pretty big. But that's nothing compared to the solar system, which is 178 billion miles wide, or the galaxy, which is more than 100,000 light years wide. Considering a light year is 5.9 trillion miles, that's pretty big. But again, that's nothing compared to the universe, which contains 100 billion galaxies and is estimated to be 93 trillion light years wide. Now that's big. In fact, it's the biggest thing we know about. So the big question is, where did it all come from? And not just the world, with all of its plants and animals and people, but all the stars and galaxies, all the matter and energy in the entire universe. Where did it all come from? Today, many people would point to the Big Bang Theory. Namely that 13.77 billion years ago, a ball of near infinite mass and energy exploded, or expanded rapidly outward faster than the speed of light to create everything in the universe. I have just 2 questions. First, where did the first matter and or energy come from? This mythical ball of near infinite mass and energy? And second, what caused it to explode? Can you explain that without using magical language like quantum fluctuations? Let me give you a more down-to-earth example. If I want to pop a balloon, I need 3 things. First, I need a balloon. A balloon is made of matter and energy. Second, I need compression. The balloon needs to be inflated, causing potential energy. I can't pop a flat balloon. And finally, I need a pin or some other catalyst to get the party started. The Big Bang Theory is like describing how a balloon popped, except with no pin and no balloon. Just the bang. What happened right here? Where did the first matter and or energy come from? What set it into motion? According to the Oxford Dictionary, a miracle is a surprising and welcome event that is not explicable by natural or scientific laws and is therefore considered to be the work of a divine agency. The creation of the universe was a surprising and welcome event. It cannot be explained by natural or scientific laws. But is it the work of a divine agent? There is a third force described by Aristotle over 2,000 years ago that we haven't even mentioned. For the sake of which? Or in other words, why? Why was the universe created? What purpose does it serve? The Big Bang Theory doesn't answer any of these questions, but the Bible does. Genesis 1:1. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. Revelation 4:11. Worthy are you, O Lord and God, the Holy One, to receive the glory, the honor, and the power, for you created all things, and because of your desire they existed and were created. Jeremiah 10:12. God has made the earth by his power. He has established the world by his wisdom, and by his understanding has he stretched out the heavens. God created the universe. God made it move. The creation of the world isn't just amazing, it's a miracle. Do you believe in miracles? I'd love to know what you think. Leave a comment and share this video with someone.